Alright guys, here's the question. 1994 Honda Civic EX. Transmission making a rattling sound when off the clutch in neutral. I replaced the throwout bearing right here. I replaced the input shaft bearing. This will be the third throwout bearing, second input shaft bearing. I replaced them both. And that didn't fix it. So I'm going to start it up, let y'all hear it. Alright, so that's off on the clutch, and this is off of it. On the clutch, off the clutch. It's in neutral. Making a very loud rattle sound, and nobody knows. A lot of people say input shaft bearing, a lot of people say throwout bearing. I replaced them both and it still makes the noise. So any ideas, I appreciate it. Thanks.